Hello guys, welcome to the Arcady Vibes. I am Arcady, and today we are going to see how I paint skin. First of all, create a new layer and choose the colors you want to use on the skin, like all the skin tones. So I have already chosen the colors I'm going to use. These are the colors I'm going to use on the skin. Now I'm choosing a hard round brush to fill the base layer. Just fill inside the line art. Now that the base layer is done, create a new layer for the shading and clip it on the base layer. This way, by clipping it, you can make sure that you don't paint outside the base layer. So I'm gonna choose a hard round opacity brush. This is a simple hard round brush with opacity set to the pen pressure, which means it changes opacity with pen pressure. Now you can see there's a harsh line in between the base layer and the shading layer. So to soften the shading, I'm going to pick the color in between the base layer and the shading layer and paint with that. Now for the highlights, I'm gonna choose a lighter color. So this is how I paint skin. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more.